Meet VersaAI. Designed and engineered to take your AutoStore further. Extending AutoStore's robotic picking capabilities to deliver more. First, more time. When people leave, work doesn't stop. VersaAI pre-picks and buffers orders during the night, so teams can focus on packing when the day starts. Less waiting, higher throughput, and greater flexibility when volumes change. Second, more space. VersaAI improves storage density by consolidating inventory. Items from partially filled bins are combined into single, fully utilized bins. Air is removed, capacity is maximized. And more productivity. VersaAI is designed natively for AutoStore. Time is spent picking, rather than transferring items from source to destination bins, compared to any custom designs. VersaAI. Get even more return from your AutoStore, day and night.